Next, I am going to get a rain thistle exquisite fiber here. It's going to be right here on the Great Tusk in the southeast area of Upper Plains and Celebration Valley, but I need for it to be raining before obviously I can get this. So I'm gonna go to Music Point and use the fire to change the time, to keep changing the time until it rains. When it rains, I'll go look for the rain thistle fiber. Here we go, now it's raining. I'm gonna call my Ecron, and then we're gonna go fly to the other side of the mountain as quickly as possible so that we can get these rain thistle fibers, exquisite versions. There's one there. Let's scan it. See if it's exquisite. It's superior. That's superior. Let's see if we can find an exquisite one. There we go. All right, land. Looks like I have an enemy here somewhere. Let me try to gather this first before I deal with fighting an enemy. All right, and I'm going up. I'm pushing forward on my left stick to get that one harvested. That one's fine. That one's superior. I guess I'll get a superior one while I'm here. But when I'm making something, I always try to get 2 of these. If I'm already on the hunt for an exquisite one and I'm in the area, then might as well go ahead and grab a couple so that you can make your item. There's some more Coronis eggs here. So that you can make them and then have some to spare for if you need to do a clan contribution or something like that. Because that happens a lot.